Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install and set up Google Drive as a local drive. So let's go to this Chrome browser. Then you have to write here this thing, download Google Drive, hit enter, and then you'll find the first option, download Google Drive. Click on this. Now click on download drive for desktop. Hold on, it's downloading. I'll be right back. After download, your file will be here. Then you can cut this file to any other where. Okay, now just double click on this setup. Click on yes. Now just click on this add an application shortcut to your desktop. Click on install. Now click on launch. Get started. You have to sign in with your ID and password. Hold on, I'm putting my password here. Here's my password. After that, all you have to just authorize it by your mobile or laptop. Put your phone on and you'll find this thing. Just confirm with your phone, yes, it's me, and it will be automatically. Click on sign in. Now let's check back. Cut off this, go my PC or your this PC. You can see here this Google Drive has been come here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.